Hey there everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. So today I want to show you how to make the ultimate baked spaghetti. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified as soon as I upload a new delicious recipe. So you will need 1 pound of spaghetti, and this is a 2-pound box, so I will be using half of this. And then I am using 1.5 pounds of ground beef, but you could use Italian sausage or ground chicken or ground turkey. And then you will need 2 24-ounce jars of your favorite marinara. Keeping it simple today, guys, and just using the store-bought marinara. And then I have 1/2 cup here of chopped onion, which was right around 1/2 large onion, 4 garlic cloves, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 cup of ricotta, but you could also use cottage. And then I like to use this Italian blend of cheeses because it has the mozzerella, the provolone, the parmesan. It just has all those delicious Italian cheeses in this blend. Okay, always make sure that you salt your water for your pasta very, very good, because that salt is what flavors your pasta. So I'm going to add the ground beef to my skillet, and I'm also going to add my onions, and I'm going to mince my garlic. So in case you were wondering why 2 jars of marinara, well, I am about to tell you. 1 jar is going to go into my cooked spaghetti, and then the other jar is going to go into my meat. This just keeps that baked spaghetti nice and saucy. Nobody wants dry spaghetti. This, I'm telling you, is a big secret to making the best baked spaghetti. So my spaghetti and my meat sauce is done. Now I'm just going to combine these cheeses. So this is a 3-cup bag of cheese. So I'm going to put half of it in the cheese mixture, and then the other half will go on top of the baked spaghetti. So I have a 9x13 baking dish, and I'm just going to spray the bottom of it with some nonstick spray. And then I'm going to place half of my spaghetti in the bottom. This is a good recipe, guys. You're going to love it. All right, just spreading it out, making sure that's even. And then I'm going to add this cheese mixture all over top of this first layer of spaghetti. So you may have to spread it out some. And then take the other half of the spaghetti and place on top of the cheese mixture. And again, spreading it out. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to top your spaghetti with this meat sauce. Oh my goodness, this already is looking so good. I cannot wait to eat this baked spaghetti. And then lastly, you're going to want to take the rest of that cheese and sprinkle all on top. Oh yes. Okay, so now it is ready for the oven, and you will want to bake this uncovered in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's nice and hot and bubbly and that cheese is melted. You just wait until you see how spectacular this baked spaghetti is. Okay guys, this baked spaghetti is so good. I'm gonna have to cut into it and show you. Oh, you just wait till you see. Guys, I've got to get serious. This is the best baked spaghetti you will ever eat. It is so delicious. Creamy. It is not dry. It is nice and saucy. Okay, I hope you guys give my baked spaghetti a try. I know that you will not be disappointed. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.